Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to this channel. So this is me Alia Wahid, and in this video we are going to start a new chapter of pharmacognosy, and this chapter is about fibers and surgical dressings. So let us start this chapter. So if you don't subscribe to my channel, then go press the subscribe button and like button in order to get all the notification of previous videos. Now, first of all, I am going to start with the definition of the fibers. So, what are fibers? Actually, they are the long chains, okay, of two molecules, which are two macromolecules, which are the basic units, which are carbohydrates and the proteins, okay. So, there, what is the importance of fibers in our life? So, they are used to make surgical dressing and structures. So various kind of dressings which are used in the surgery, these fibers help to make them. Second, it is used to make fabric, and third, it is used in various textile industries. Now let's classify the fibers. So on the base of their origin and source, they are divided. So fibers are divided into two groups. First is the natural source, and then is the artificial source. So natural source mean that they are obtained from the natural source, like your plants, your animals, your minerals. So vegetable and plant source mean that the fibers which are obtained from plants. Some are from animal source, some are regenerated fibers. Actually they are from the natural source, but we do some kind of modifications in them, and after that we use them. And last are some fiber which are in the minerals source. First, in this lecture I am going to start the vegetable or the plant source fibers. So before starting the classification, I am going to differentiate the vegetable and plant fibers with the animal fibers. Okay, so let's see it. So as you can see here, I have given that test on the vegetable and animal regenerated fibers. Okay. So what types of tests are performed in them? Here I have written all the tests which are done by it, like Mollis test, millions reagent, ignition test, and heating with picric acid. Then I have given the results. These tests are performed on the vegetable or regenerated fibers, and here the results are of them are written. Like with the moist reagent, your vegetable or regenerated fibers is going to produce violet color, and with the millions reagent it is going to produce a result which is it doesn't produce the red color. It means it is giving the negative millions test. Then from the ignition test, the your vegetable and regenerated fibers produce no smell, no foul smell is obtained from them. And by heating with picric acid, fibers not stain permanently. Now see the results of fibers which are of animal source. So here some are the results which are shown by animal fibers, that from the millions reagents, vegetable and regenerative fibers don't produce red color, while the animal fibers produce red color from them. With the ignition test, vegetable fibers produce no foul smell, but animal fibers are producing foul smell. With the reaction with the picric acid, the vegetable fibers doesn't stain permanently, but animal fibers stained permanently. So you can differentiate between the vegetable fibers and the animal fibers by these tests. Now let's start the vegetable source fibers. So here I have written that vegetable and plant source fibers, which are fibers are originated from the plants. What are the types of them? So first type is the fibers on the seed and inner wall of the fruit. So there is a difference between the location of these fibers. So some fibers are present on the seed, like seed is held here, and around the seed various kind of fibers are originate from it. For example, cotton seeds are just like that. Around the seed various kind of fibers are present, and some are the fibers which are present on the inner wall of the fruit also. So they are collected from them, and after that we will perform various procedures on them, and after that they are ready to use. Second kind of fibers which are obtained from the plants are the blast fibers. What are the blast fibers? These are the fibers which are present on the inner blast tissues of the plant stem. So various plant stems consist of blast tissues. So on the inner side of these blast tissue, these fibers are attached. Example of these blast fibers are flax, hemp, and jute. So these kind of fibers are obtained from these blast fibers. Now let us discuss about the chemical nature of these vegetable fibers or plant fibers. So here I have written the chemical nature of them, like they are consist of cellulose, they are consist of hemicellulose, lignin, pectin, and various kind of waxes are present in them. And next heading is the decomposition, that as they are obtained from the natural source from the plant, so they can be decomposed. And what are the reagents, what are the decomposers of them? So here I have written here, aerobic bacteria can affect them, various kind of fungi, and high temperature and high humidity will affect all of these natural fibers. Now let's start the first vegetable source fiber, which is a cotton. And cotton is present on the inner side of your seed or inner wall of your fruit. So let's start the absorbent cotton. So here I have written about the absorbent cotton. So what are the synonyms of them? It is that it is also called as absorbent wool and purified cotton. What is the biological source of it? So a plant which from which the cotton is obtained, and this plant name is Gospium herbaceae and linen. What is the part used from where this part, these fibers are originated? Actually on the seed of that plant various kind of fibers are attached. I am drawing a diagram here, like this is the seed of that particular plant, and on this seed various kind of hair like filaments are present on it, and these fibers are collected, the seed is removed from here, and these fibers will collected and they will form cotton. Now what is the family of them? So Malvaceae is the family of them. What are the habitat that were where these plants are present, in what countries? So in the Egypt, in India, in America, USA, and Pakistan, these are the countries where the cotton is reproduced. Now let's discuss some chemical characteristics of the cotton. So first of all, let's discuss about their nature. So they are white in color, soft fine hair like filaments on them. Taste of them is they are tasteless. Odor, they are odorless. Length of them is from 2.5 to 5 centimeter, and the diameter of them is from 9 to 24 micrometers. The shape of them is the long narrow hair like fragments or filaments are present on it. Now let's discuss their chemical nature. So based upon the chemical, so the chemical nature of cotton is it is composed of cellulose. Various kind of glucose units are composed of it. So you know that cellulose is composed of various kind of glucose units. So these glucose units linked with each other with 1,4 beta glycosidic bonds in them. Like you can see in this picture that I have drawn two glucose units, and they are joined together with beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage. Why it is called 1,4? Because this is the carbon number 1 and this is the carbon number 4. They are attaching with this glycosidic bond, so therefore it is called as this. And various kind of now glucose units will combine together with this linkage and they will form cellulose. Now let's discuss about their collection, that how this cotton is collected and how it is prepared, and then after that we will discuss that what are the uses of cotton in our daily life. So how to collect it? It consists of 3 to 5 capsules which enclosed within the seed. As you can see here in the picture, they are the six, but they are 3 to 5 capsules, and in between this capsule, the seed is enclosed in it. Now these capsules open themselves like a flower, and after that you can see white hair-like projections which are attached to a brown seed. Then these white hair like projections, they are collected, then we dried them and the seeds are removed from them. So this was the collection of cotton. Now let's discuss the preparation of it. Now let's discuss the preparation of cotton. So first of all, you will do toward the cleaning process. So you will remove the broken seeds and impurities. Second process is to remove the short fibers. So the cotton is consist of long fibers and some are the short fibers. So you have to separate them. So there is a machine which separate the short fibers from the long of them. So now these long fibers will combine themselves and they form a long uniform thread-like structure. So then this long fiber is used in the preparation of various kind of fabrics. Now the short fibers which are collected, they will form comber waste. The collection of short fibers is called as comber waste. Actually this comber waste is very important because it is the purest form of the cotton. So it is used in making various kind of things. Then this comber waste is go for the cleaning process. It will heat it with the dilute solution of NaOH, sodium hydroxide, for 10 to 15 hours. Okay, then after that we will wash it or dechlorize that cotton with a dechlorizing agent. You know very well that the cotton has a yellowish shade on them, so we will wash them and make the cotton dechlorized, and after that you will treat it with the dilute HCl solution. So this was the process of cleaning, and then after that you are go for the drying process. So fibers are dried, they are converted into the flat sheet, and then they packed or sterilized. Now let's discuss the uses of cotton. So it is used in the preparation of surgical dressings. It is used for a mechanical spot. It is used to absorb the blood, pus, mucus and the pus which is formed on the body. It is used to protect a wound which is formed on your skin from various kind of microbes and bacteria. It is used in the textile industry in order to make the fabric and various kind of cloths. Then it also used in the preparation of explosives because its chemical composition like cellulose, hemicellulose, lignin, pectin, they are used in the preparation of explosives. Then it is also used to make various kind of chemicals which are cellulose derivatives. So these were all about the uses of cotton. I hope that you will like this video. If you like it, then please subscribe to this channel, like my videos, and also press the bell icon in order to get the notification of all the video which I uploaded. So thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. Make sure that you will press the subscribe button and the bell icon, or meet you soon in the next lecture. Till up, Allah Hafiz.